If your friend doesn't wear eye protection while welding, ultraviolet rays can enter their eyes and burn the cornea, as the welding process produces bright light that emits harmful but invisible energy. It's like sand getting into the eyes, and could even cause temporary blindness. However, it's not just the bright light that's dangerous, but also the sparks and debris that can be thrown, all of which can lead to serious consequences. Although the flashes of light and bright rays can cause temporary blindness, they each have different effects.